Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to solve quadratic inequalities by using analytical method. By analytical method, we are going to choose one of them only. So we are using sign table. Okay. So first thing first, we have to make sure the right hand side of the inequality equal to 0. Okay. We must make it equal to 0 lah. So 25 is just semak over there. So what we have is 2x minus 1 squared minus 25 less than 0. Okay. The second step is to make sure the x squared is positive. For this one, it's not even a general quadratic form. So we have to expand them now. Okay. So 4x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 25 less than 0. Okay, so factorize it further. So 4x minus 24 less than 0. Okay, so this 4, 4 and 24, we can simplify it further to become x squared minus x minus 6 less than 0. So, as you can see here, the x squared is positive. We have done the third step or second step, I forgot. Yeah. Now, next is to factorize it. Okay, so we factorize it. X multiplied by x is x squared. 6 is 6 tak boleh. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Okay, so from here, we get the ZOF. So ZOF for x minus 3 is 3. Okay, ZOF for x plus 2 is minus 2. Okay, so from the ZOF, we can construct the table. So in order to do that, I'm going to split the area. Put line over here lah, as if you are continuing below. Okay, but I'm doing on the right hand side. So, we have a line over here. Okay, this line is, let's say is an x-axis. So, minus 2 must be over here. Okay, while 3 is over here. And then we have a line over here and over there and over here as well. Then we close them. So this is the table that we want. Okay, first thing first, we start with the interval. Okay, the interval, or maybe I make it wider lah. Okay, otherwise doesn't fit the bracket very well. Okay, that's better. Okay, the interval. What is the interval for this one? It's less than minus 2. So, it means minus 2 until minus infinity. Okay, for this one, it's between minus 2 and 3. And just we close them with the open bracket like that. For this one, it's a number more than 3. So, x minus positive infinity and then close open bracket lah, like that. Okay, maybe I extend it further like that. Okay, that's better. Okay, good. Now we have the interval already. Now the next one is to choose a number. Choose number. This hashtag also means a number, right? Doesn't fit lah. Just write like that. Okay, so minus 2 to minus infinity. Maybe we can choose minus 3. This one, minus 2 to 3 is 0. 3 to infinity is 4. Okay, now we write the factor. The first factor is x minus 3. And then we substitute the number inside the factor to calculate the number and decide what sign of the interval over here in this box. So, minus 3 minus 3, okay, is minus 6. Minus 6 is a negative number. Okay, now 0. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 is a negative number. Next, 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is a positive number. Okay, 1 is a positive number. Next is the second factor, x plus 2. Sorry, plus 2. Okay, and then close them. Close, not yet close. This one is the last one. Okay. Minus 3 substitute here. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 is a negative number. Okay. 0 substitute here is 0 plus 2 equals plus 2 plus 2 is a positive number. Okay. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is a positive number. Okay, last row is for us to multiply the factors because this is the one that we want, the result. Okay, over here. So, x minus 3 multiply x plus 2. Okay, so it's just a multiplication of the bracket. Okay, sorry for the intrusion. I just entertain a call. Okay, where were we? Okay, this one. This one, Okay, multiply kan. So, we just need to multiply the result lah. The sign of this one by this one lah. Okay, negative number multiply negative number, we get positive number. Yeah, this one negative number multiply positive number, negative number. Okay, positive number multiply positive number, we will get a positive number. Okay, now the next step, yes. The next step is for us to decide which one is the solution. Okay, so look where we factorize it and then box the inequality. This one less than 0. Less than 0 means we want negative interval. Okay, negative values lah, negative sign. So from the sign table, down here, below the lowest part of the last row over here, we look the negative over here. So the interval is this one. Okay, minus 2 and 3. Okay, for this one, we have to make sure, we have to check, okay, before we just decide taking this one, we have to check and decide whether the ZOF is included or not. Okay, in order to do that, we have to look at the interval again. Okay, this is less than 0, means that ZOF not included. Less than 0, automatically not included. Not included, so open bracket. So this is the answer lah. Okay, so maybe I write it over here. So the answer is this one, or x minus 2, x less than 3, like that. Okay, so this is the first one, I guess. Okay, so we have a second one. Okay, let's get started. This one. Okay, so the first one, this one 0, settle. This one negative. What to do? Multiply. Okay, multiply. So we have x squared minus 5x plus 6 greater equal 0. Why greater? Because I'll multiply this by negative 1 already. Okay, now the next step is that we factorize it. Okay, factorize. So x3, x2 minus. Okay, factorize already, and then we take out the ZOF. Okay, so the ZOF is 3 and for this one is 2 lah. Okay. Okay, so from this ZOF, we can construct a table. Okay, I'm going to construct it over here. So we have a number line over here. So 2 is somewhere here, 3 is somewhere here. Okay, so we drag a line over here as well, over here as well. Okay, then close them. This one over here lah. Okay, now settle already. So the first one is writing the interval. Okay. Now, the interval in this box is from minus infinity until 2. For this one, it's between 2 and 3. And this one is 3 until infinity. Tak buat infinity. 3. That's better. Okay. Now, next we choose a number. choose a number. Okay, we choose a number that belong here. So this one maybe 0. Yeah, this one is 2.5. Okay, this one is 4. Okay. Okay, next we write the interval. We write the factor one by one. So we write the first factor, x minus 3. Okay, and then we substitute inside here to get the sign. Yeah, not the value, just the sign, whether it's a negative or positive. So 0 minus 3, 0 minus 3 is minus 3 is a negative number. Okay, 2.5 minus 3 is minus 0.5. So it's a negative number. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is a positive number. Okay, now we write the second factor, x minus 2. Okay, then we do the same calculation. Okay, so 0 minus 2 minus 0.5 positive. So 4 minus 2 is positive. Okay, and then last row, I forget. Okay, this is the last row. Last row is the multiplication, the solution. Okay, the factorization that we get. So x minus 3, x minus 2. So no need to recalculate, so resubstitute the values, no need, just multiply these two signs. Negative number multiply negative number is positive number. Negative number multiply positive number, negative number. Positive number multiply positive number, we get positive number. Okay, now next step is for us to look at the factorization inequality over here. We want greater equal 0. So it means we want positive. Since it's equal over here, Z or F included. Z or F included. So where is the positive? This one positive, this one positive. So the answer is minus 2. Just take over here. Okay. 2 to minus infinity. Remember, we set Z or F included because we have equal sign over here, right? So it's a square bracket. Okay, for this one is 3 infinity. Initially, it's an open bracket from the table, but since we already decided Z or F included, so we have to put square bracket. Okay, and union between them. Okay, so maybe I write it down here. So the answer is this one, or in set notation is x less than equal to union x greater equal 3. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum and have a good day.